Welcome to this video. Let me show you how to make a login on a business application, business name online. If you create him account finish lo IPA, na for video below me, you can check him on the link below. Me show you your steps now to create him online account one time IPA. So this video for me show him how to create him login business name online application. Put him can lo Yolanda him login business name application online on them IPA. Now at the same time, towards the end of the video, we show him how low by you making payment online if you get on Visa card one then Kina Bank or PSP Bank or you easy logo online using this Visa card bill or you just making payment online. It's only 100 Kina. Suppose you use SIM agent or kind of same, but you pay extra 200 Kina, or it might be 300 or 350, 400. Minus use agent. So from all advertisement me looking on Facebook na kind of same 300, 350 kind of same. So there's the video me look some plenty online or local. Ono ko trusting to mas agent na sample agent in deliver la time too. So we make this video to help him, especially our SME or small business owners lodging business name online. This similar approach you can use your company name or not application online, but IPA online website it's a very easy website where you can go around. You just have a move around inside on the website and understanding more terms or something inside the website. You can see on a login yet. So, and you don't need a big plus survey or big cloud. It's not a complicated thing to do. Difficult to do. So yet you can make it. Anyway, you may go straight to online now. You may look him up when you login business name application. So you may go create account. You may go to login because me create an account for this as we talked about previous video with me. But me write him name below. But me write him name below business, yeah, business name. Must confirming faster because sometimes by listing thing one haray or by listing thing one just a letter inside suppose you listing thing. And by you go making go around it to get back login into this space. So you must make sure you type in something in good na you register mo on blue or password na username na one place one apps so you can look mo that time. I help you login. So we are successfully logging in. Thank you. If I go inside na account online. So we'll go to on the left hand panel here. See, left hand panel here. You may look in business name stuff. So you can go to companies, the associations. If you create an account finish here, then you buy accessing this logo that's under me to access them like okay. Companies, association, groups, business name, foreign entities, foreign enterprise. So I'll go to business name. I'm the SME now. Little for business line. Go SME. Now you go register business name here. Click on Talab. Click on Talab now and back to go inside. You see the form. This is the right form by filling in. Form 817 is the form by filling in. If you make a manual application, and by you system in an applicable business names automatically, so time you enter in where you both kilo option lo triple business registration suppose one by no start the system and by you same stuff up. But for this one, time you enter them straight here. Now suppose no start the system, it goes green automatically. So looking like this one me creating no start the system. It's a new name, so no got triple option me filling 1%. So I already created my application online, so I'm start with them. I'm start with them, except in finish. So you'll see this tab here, business name, we fill order something here, we color camera, we fill address, see everything in red. Business name here, it's good. So you go to the next step here. When you go to the next step here, I'm automatically bank kalab go address and move camera address. So let's see, we go to the next step and go address now, looking. Go address now. So you fill in this layer and to enter in street name. When in street name, you make your business name, you must enter it. Do not enter PO box. If you put in PO box, and go red can also, and accept in PO box you put in. And then you put in this too. Suppose you making business inside one apartment, put down your town as well, town or city, your country, here, province, district, and your postcode. Okay, postcode. If you like finding postcode, now how do you go online to Google? You type in postcode. The one let's see, you are making business name. If you're in Waigani, I think it's 131. For Godens, it's different from the 1 names. This is where you go. You complete this order and finish. You need to add other things, but you keep on going, go down, go. And at the finish number, this is where call by communicate when you IPA basalimol letters national camera digital address. This is where now by putting post office PO box here, and here, the province, district, and then the postcode as well. Email address for you, important. You must put email address for you. Suppose you like email, help you locate the email address for you. You can comment below the comments, or you talk survey na by you can create in a video help you create email address for you. Okay, by you move to the tab. When this is over, if you complete all the fields properly, wala na come up red. Okay, type go green by your right next. So we go to owners. We can go here. When you finish the next step, you can use this lateral over the next step. Okay, here, but you add him name you na kayo. So if you lead your own business, but you add him you do pa po and then suppose you own him not business kind of same law. Inside one IPA registry stuff, you put him here. Put him too. Mommy. And then you but this all by register the PNG too, and you buy him here. This law not law fill all necessary lemon and will stop already. So continue, you filling, go down. You finish, you go to the next step, click it here. Or you can click him on top here, business activity blue, and pop up. So if you're doing something around education or art and craft or logistics or kind of same, this list here automatically come up. So you have to scroll down. Now you load him, go inside the system. Do you want a main scope of the business activity? You'll make him come up there. And then the date of commencement. And come up there. One day you'll start the business and come up there. Then you go to app. You will sign. It's an automatic process, so you don't need law by putting electronic signature. Do you? We come there. So you take in this slide, certify him, and it was you're the owner and also position authorized person. You take in the here. So everything basically is by the click of a mouse na finger. That's all. Suppose you foul it, you comment below na we can guide him more low one until film low one but tabs, yeah. You can start it. So when you're done, you go happy. If you save him halfway, if you make him halfway, you must save him draft there, draft low here. So you go back and you log in low somewhere here, low password view, and you log in low account view. And at least you got draft but you continue. So you stop na and you save it. And so when you're done, you say clock out, check out, sorry. You say check out and you close here. You close here. Okay. That's for online business name registration. Okay. Now you may go to part where me talk about helping making payment online. You come to making payment online. You come to this one. You're still in your account. You're still in your account. You come to how to guides here. Click on it and it'll go all the way down to making payment here. It's the third last on the drop down button. So you come here, you click in this lamp, and back see inside of page to making payment here. You're at the right place. And you finish there, you just go down here, you go to this one, PAN account payment link, you go click them. You click them, finish. If you got something, me creating things, everything about my account would be automatically loaded in. So name, Bloomy, address, Bloomy, because everything was created on the online website there. Let me create my account this time. So you go to have, you go account home, and you must type inside there. So you go paying by, if you're paying it, should be you all the time because you're using a Visa card, like a Visa card detail bill or not line you see. And then this is where you enter the amount. So you will enter 100 Kina. 100 is in Kina. It's not in USD, US dollars. So you put in 100 Kina, you confirm in Kina, so 100 Kina. And then you click submit. Let's pay attention to this. So you use a credit card, kind of Visa card or Kina bank card, but you click in this line. Suppose you using BSP Pay, you click in this line, you fill in details. But we're using maybe BSP, so we click this one, and when you're done, everything you confirm was correct. You come, you click it submit, and then you click close as well. Here, and you may not get one MS, I'm sort of some, but you click him submit when you already load the 100 Kina, and then click him close here to come out of this account, to come out of the payment page. So it's very easy. It's very easy if you wanna create yourself a business name account online. Let me show you finish here. Now time you'll making online payment to YouTube. And you got a solo here. You got a solo. It's quite hidden, the payment part. So you come here how to guides, and you can go down here and you'll go in and complete your payment. It's not rocket science. It's very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this video.
And see that girl.
Thank you. We hope you like this video and it's helpful to help you register your business. And we wish you all the best in your SME journey. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and we'll keep on helping you in the capacity that we have. Thank you. Bye now.